Hi, my name is Ahmet, and I'm the Operations Manager at FleetSpark. This is Video 8 in our Trucking 101 series. At FleetSpark, we help you navigate the complexities of the trucking business. In the previous video, we covered new authority trucking insurance, why it's so expensive, and how to plan. We discussed how to manage those initial costs over your first 12 to 24 months. In this video, we'll cover how to successfully run your first year of operations as an owner-operator. Your first year as an owner-operator matters because it sets your track record. It's not just driving, it's proving you can run a stable operation. That record is what improves your insurance and financing options over time. Step 1 is freight execution. Be on time to your shipper pickup and receiver delivery appointments. Communicate delays early to your dispatcher or broker so they can update the load. Protect the freight you're hauling with basic securement and documentation. Submit clean, legible receipts to the broker so you get paid without disputes. In trucking, your reputation is built on consistency. Step 2 is uptime. This is how consistently your truck stays road-ready and available to haul loads. Protect your uptime with daily inspections and scheduled preventive maintenance. Fix small issues before they turn into breakdowns. Every hour your truck isn't rolling is lost revenue. Step 3 is getting paid and staying provable. Collect revenue quickly and document everything. You must prove what you hauled, what you earned, and what it actually cost you. Step 4 is compliance. Keep your carrier-side records and routines clean. Keep your insurance active with 0 lapses. Paperwork discipline is what keeps you audit-ready. Step 5 is relationships. Build a small, repeatable network you can rely on. Your dispatcher, brokers, and repair shops affect whether your weeks stay profitable or get chaotic. Step 6 is keeping your operating profile simple. Run a clear radius and stick to straightforward freight. Stay consistent on lanes so your operation is easier for insurers and brokers to understand. In conclusion, most first-year problems are structural and come from avoidable inefficiencies. The best way to protect yourself is to know your fixed costs and protect your cash flow. Fixed costs are expenses you owe whether the truck moves or not, like payments and insurance. This includes your permits, licenses, parking, and the unavoidable depreciation of your equipment. Protect yourself by knowing your fixed cost number and keeping a reserve fund. Avoid new debt until your operation is proven. This protects your track record. Running steady for 12 to 24 months typically improves renewal outcomes and financing terms. At FleetSpark, we help you understand your true fixed costs and stay compliant through slow weeks. Stay insurable and protect your credit. Reach out to our team today at fleetsparkfinancial.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.